Every single day, East Valley Water District provides safe, reliable drinking water to over 103,000 residents in the cities of Highland, San Bernardino, and unincorporated portions of San Bernardino County. As you're about to see, there's a lot happening behind the scenes to get water to your tap. Your water comes from 3 different sources: the local groundwater Bunker Hill Basin, the Santa Ana River, and the State Water Project. These 2 sources are known as surface water because they originate from lakes, rivers, and creeks. Just like it sounds, groundwater comes from the local underground aquifer. Either way, each source of water requires a certain level of treatment. So, let's dive into how we make sure your water is safe to drink. Once surface water has traveled to the district, the water flows through a multi-step treatment process around our treatment facility. To start with, water is pre-screened through strainers to remove any large debris like leaves, sticks, and rocks. Next, water then flows through East Valley's state-of-the-art membrane filtration system to remove any remaining particles larger than 0.04 microns. That's smaller than a grain of sand or even a single human hair. Finally, we treat the water to prevent any waterborne illnesses. Water agencies are required by the State Water Resources Control Board and Environmental Protection Agency to disinfect all water with small amounts of chlorine. From surface water to another major source right beneath your feet, groundwater. Layers of sand, dirt, and rock serve as protection against the natural elements. This eliminates the need for pre-screening and filtration, allowing the groundwater to head straight to treatment. Here's how it works. East Valley's groundwater wells throughout the community reach 1,000 feet below the surface. These wells can pump up to 2,500 gallons per minute. This groundwater supply is then treated to disinfect and prevent any waterborne illnesses. After treatment, groundwater is sent to storage tanks where it's combined with treated surface water. Finally, we send it to our 300-mile pipeline system for distribution to you. As part of our mission to providing safe drinking water, East Valley Water District checks our water quality year-round throughout the community. Each sample is sent to an independent laboratory for testing to verify the water meets or exceeds the state's quality standards. So the next time you turn on the tap, be confident knowing East Valley Water District is committed to providing safe and reliable drinking water 24/7, 365 days a year.